Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one. You know what a Harley Quinn is? A Harley Quinn's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits. The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me. What year? You gotta be kidding me.
We should order pizza. Big cosmos. Harley, focus. Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you. Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies. Psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? That for me, will you?